Hi, I'm Anna, and 5 years ago, my husband and I were still living in the city where we grew up, but we were frustrated with the lifestyle that we were living and we were looking for a healthier alternative when we kind of stumbled across this whole modern homesteading thing. And as we started learning more about becoming more self-reliant and the benefits of homegrown, homemade food and making things from scratch, naturally we wanted to start learning how to do more of these things ourselves. So at the time, we had no clue what we were doing, and we had maybe a small herb garden on our balcony and a little bit of experience in the kitchen, but otherwise we had no idea. We had never grown a vegetable garden. I had never preserved any food or anything like that. So slowly we started learning these skills one by one, and it was all going along pretty nicely, but it was slow, right? Learning all these things yourself when you'd never been taught is a slow process. So that's why a couple years ago, when I found the Pioneering Today Academy, I honestly jumped at the chance to fast track my learning. And I can honestly say that in the last couple years, I have learned how to do things that I would have never thought possible a few years ago. This year, we're growing our biggest vegetable garden yet. We've got over 200 seedlings ready to go in the ground any day. I have learned to can, ferment, and dehydrate my own food. We cook almost entirely from scratch. I have learned to make everything from our own candles and cleaning products to infused oils and herbal remedies. And while I might have eventually learned how to do all of this stuff by myself, I can honestly say that the Pioneering Today Academy has made it about 1,000 times easier to keep going and to learn all of these lost arts and forgotten skills in a supportive community full of like-minded people on the same path, doing the same crazy things. So I'm so grateful to Melissa and to all of the members in the Pioneering Today Academy to helping us to get to where we are today. And I highly recommend that anybody else who's interested in living this made from scratch life to check out the Pioneering Today Academy, because it has honestly been the best investment that I have made in our own journey to self-reliance.